So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you the Gate.io exchange amazing feature hold and earn, in which I will show you that how you can get 100% APY on Hathor token HTR and Orion token ORN. Okay, so this is video will be huge, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update from my videos. Okay, so let's move into our video. So today in this video I am gonna show you the uh, amazing feature of Gate.io exchange, in which you can get 100% APY of your Hathor tokens and Orion tokens, and I will show you step by step process. Okay, so Gate.io is one of the top crypto exchanges in the world, so you can trust them. This is purely trusted, secure crypto exchange in the world. Okay, and it is using worldwide. So I have given the link in the description to make sure to create account through my link and get extra benefits if you sign up through my link. So make sure to create account through my link. I have given the link in the description. Okay, so when you create account through my link, you just have to open you just have to sign in your account, and you just have to download the application from the Play Store. So when you open the Gate.io application, you will see this interface. Okay, here you can see different options of Gate.io exchange. So but in this video I am gonna talking about the hold and earn option on Gate.io finance exchange, and this option is very unique on Gate.io exchange. This option is not available on any crypto exchange in the world. So make sure to watch the whole video and like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to create the account through my link. So when you open the exchange, you will get to see this interface. You just have to click here on three dots. Okay, more, and here you can see all the features of the Gate.io exchange, and here you can see hold and earn option. You just have to click on hold and earn, and in this section you can see in the three options: active, upcoming and finished. In the active option you can see all the crypto projects which are available to lock up and earn APY on these tokens. Okay, so here you can see all the tokens which are available right now, and you can just deposit this token and earn different APY according to these tokens. Okay, so for example, if you right now the token is lockup is active, and you can lock your the token for 14 days and get 100% APY, and after 14 days uh, your the tokens will be returned to your wallet, and you can earn passive income right now. And this with the token event will be end after 9 days. Okay, so this is the active area of the projects, and in the second we have upcoming option. Okay, so here you can see all the upcoming crypto projects in which you will deposit these tokens and earn passive income on these tokens and earn 100% APY. So here you can see all the upcoming crypto projects, but I am in this video I'm gonna talk about the Orion token and Hathor token hold and earn feature. Okay, so in this you can see that Orion token lockup and earn number 4 for 14 days is will be open after 1 day and 30 hours and 16 minutes. Okay, so we just click on it and see what this will be offered to us. Okay, so here you can see you will earn up to 100% APY, and this option will start on 7 January 2022 at 1 UTC plus 8 time. Okay, so lockout term is 14 days, and you can see all the details here. So maximum subscription is 1,56,830 Orion tokens. So you just have to, after this event will be open, you just have to enter your Orion tokens that are available in your wallet, and you just have to click on subscribe. Okay, so when you click on subscribe, your Orion tokens will locked up for 14 days, and you will get your tokens after 14 days. So here you can see all the details. So this event will end on 21 January 2022. Okay, so the principal and the will be distributed when the lockup period ends. So when the lockup period ends, your earning will be deposited to your account. Okay, so you can see all the information here. And in our second, you can see Hathor hold and earn lockup is coming, and it will be unlocked after 1 day and 30 hours. Okay, so you, if you hold any Hathor tokens on any exchange, just deposit on gate.io exchange, and subscribe to the Hathor uh, hold and earn option. So so for example, if you subscribe 1000 Hathor tokens, uh, okay, so here you can subscribe, and here you can see all the details. So minimum subscribe is 20 Hathor tokens, and maximum subscription is 39 and 80 tokens. So you can subscribe minimum 20 tokens. Okay, so and the maximum token will be 1,19,300 tokens. Okay, so maximum tokens for this event will be these tokens. Okay, so this is all the details, and this event will be end on 21 January. Okay, so these are the options of the gate.io finance, which will not available on any exchange. So make sure to take benefit from this feature of gate.io finance and earn up to 100% APY. So this is the cool benefit of gate.io finance. So if you have not created account of gate.io, I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create the account and join the uh, and join this and join this hold and earn feature as soon as possible. So this event is first come first served. Okay, so make sure to participate in this event as soon as possible in order to get 100% APY. So that's all in this video. So make sure to like the video and create account on gate.io exchange. So we will meet in our next video.